Hello students. Now let's do angle sum property by paper folding method. Take a triangle. Mark each angle. This is as 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Fold angle 1 in such a way so that the vertex of angle 1 touches the base of the triangle, and then again fold angle 2 so that it is just the vertex is going to touch the point of angle 1, and lastly this angle 3 we will fold till we reach to angle 1. Now see, what do we get over here? We are getting that it's forming a straight angle. So we conclude that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Thank you.